Hello Showtimers, this is another episode of Poppa Wheelie's Garage. Today we're going to be talking about the 55 Chevy Gasser. Which I have in several sizes and versions, including the Hot Wheels. So, this brings back a ton of memories for me because when I was 19, I had a 55 Chevy. It didn't end up being a gasser, but I put a 427 out of a Corvette in it, 4-speed transmission, and an early Oldsmobile 9 3/4 differential in it. It was a rocket, absolute rocket, and that's what these cars were meant for. The gasser is taking it to the extreme. Suspension is totally gone for a straight axle, and usually they had slapper bars for traction bars. Sometimes they had wheelie bars on the back if they really had serious horsepower, but they're a classic and everybody loves them, including me. That's it for today.